Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? So with Easter upon us, I thought I'd use it as an excuse to proclaim it Disney Bunny Week here at Level Up Cartooning. Today we'll be drawing the awesome White Rabbit from the famous I'm Late scene in Alice in Wonderland. And on Friday, we'll be drawing the one and only Thumper from Bambi. Now before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow. And hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Okay, so let's draw the White Rabbit from Alice in Wonderland. We're going to draw the White Rabbit step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this drawing, Mr. Rabbit is a bit over 2 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is a little over 2 of those. Alright, so let's start with a roadmap for the White Rabbit. So there's our roadmap for the White Rabbit. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help you know where to put TWR's eyes, nose, mouth, muzzle, and some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing. So you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay, so let's rough out the White Rabbit's features. Alright, so there are the roughed out features of the White Rabbit. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the White Rabbit's final details, and we don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in the details for the White Rabbit. Alrighty, there he is, the White Rabbit from the Disney classic Alice in Wonderland. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn the White Rabbit before, or any rabbit for that matter, you can't expect to have drawn him perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring Mr. Rabbit during the video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing the White Rabbit. And with that, you can draw him again and again. And by all means, color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So I'd love to see your drawing of the White Rabbit. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #levelupcartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one, and I hope you'll join me on Friday when we draw Thumper from Bambi. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.